how to generate leads as a new real estate agent. Are you a licensed real estate agent, barely making it, but spending money on broker fees, realtor dues, board dues, super fees, MLS fees, and so much more, just to name a few? Well, it's time to stop all of that and start making money as a real estate agent. I'm gonna share with you all of the best secrets on how you get that done. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, no, you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that, yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
I'm going to share with you a simple step-by-step process on how to get leads without spending a lot of money. I'm going to share with you my super secret on how I got my first deal within 1 week of getting licensed as a real estate agent. And I'm going to share with you the #1 secret to becoming a $1 million agent. There are so many benefits to being a real estate agent. I know that real estate agent is not an easy thing to become. You have to go to real estate school. You have to pass the exam that the school gives you. You have to pass the state exam. You have to pay all of your fees, your dues, and everything else and get established before you can ever actually be a real estate agent and start making money. So for most real estate agents, we have spent a lot of money to become a real estate agent, but this is okay because there are so many benefits to being a real estate agent. You literally get to create your own business in real estate. The housing market is so important to the United States government and the economy in whole. You can be a real estate agent and create your own business, have unlimited income potential, meaning you can have a team, you can sell as many houses as you want, you can work in a team, or you can work all by yourself. You get the option either to create your own team or join a team and become a part of a team that is already established and bringing you in leads. As a real estate agent, you have so many opportunities because there are so many people that want to buy a home, that can buy a home. They just need that help. Being a real estate agent will allow you to make lots of money, more money than most people actually make working a job if you are successful. Most real estate agents never really get to that point, but on average, if you can become a real estate agent and stay in it for 5 to 10 years, you will have a salary and an income more than the majority of the population. So stick with it because being a real estate agent is an easy job that doesn't require you to work every single day, and you can make lots of money. So let's get into that. What most agents do. Most agents will go to school, pass the real estate exam, get their license, get set up, get some business cards, and pretty much do nothing. Most people don't know how to be a real estate agent or be a successful real estate agent because real estate school does not teach you that. Real estate school and the education that you get to become a real estate agent is really all about the licensing and the relationship that you have with your brokers and how to navigate the real estate system with the laws, the regulations, and the ethics that are required to be a real estate agent. What is missing from real estate education is actually how to generate leads, how to get customers, and how to make the most money as a real estate agent. None of these things are taught at real estate school, and many brokers that will hire real estate agents never teach them those things either. Most real estate agents are just kind of left out to their own devices to go find their own customers and create a business for themselves without ever receiving any education on how to do that. So for most real estate agents, they will fail. In fact, almost 90% of all people that get their real estate license do not renew their license at the first renewal period, which is usually 2 years. So being a real estate agent with all of the great advantages and all of the ways to make lots of money is actually not successful for most people, but it's because the education that they receive is not sufficient to teach them how to get leads and customers. So let me tell you how you do that part. Here's what I did differently. When I became a real estate agent, I knew that I needed to get customers because I needed to make back all of the money that I invested going to real estate school, paying MLS fees, board fees, broker fees, and all of the other fees and expenses required to become a real estate agent. So the first thing that I did when I got my business cards is I did not just put them in my bag and keep them to myself. I immediately started to market myself as a real estate agent, and today that's even easier than it was for me when I first got my license in 2006. You can easily start getting business as a real estate agent if you start immediately marketing yourself. Again, most agents are secret agents and never tell people that they do real estate, that they're a real estate agent, and that this is what they're looking for. So as a real estate agent, what I did, I immediately started telling everyone. Today, you have the opportunity of social media. You should immediately change all of your social media profiles to say that you are a real estate agent and decide on what type of niche is going to be for you. Let me explain. When you become a real estate agent, you have a myriad of things that you could do. You could sell condos, you could sell townhomes, you could sell single-family homes, you could sell apartment buildings, you could sell commercial real estate like hotels and businesses. You can even just work for a construction builder and work and sit inside those new homes and sell homes for the builder and never even have to generate business for yourself. Again, so many different options of what you can do with a real estate license. Again, you can even focus on not selling real estate like houses. You can just focus on selling businesses or helping people buy businesses. Being a real estate agent allows you to do so many different things to make a lot of money, but you have to decide what is it that you are going to focus on. So when I first got started, not only did I decide that I was going to get a deal and I was going to be successful, I decided that I was going to work in single-family homes. I picked which zip code I was going to work in, and I decided that I was going to work with buyers only. Now, many real estate agents make the mistake of never deciding what type of clients they want, and this will prevent you from ever finding that client. You have to decide what it is that you're looking for, who you want to work with, and who you want to help if you intend to be successful helping those people. Let me tell you the next part. Once you decide what type of clients that you want, my example was single-family homes in a certain zip code, and I decided on buyers, you then can even narrow it down even further. Are you looking for buyers that are first-time home buyers, or are you looking for buyers that are getting bigger homes, they already have a home and they're looking for their next home? Or are you looking to work with buyers that are downsizing or moving to another area or getting a smaller home or moving from a home to a condo? Start to get very specific on what type of buyers or what type of client that you want so that you can be very deliberate in your marketing. So once I was able to decide this, like I said, I decided on first-time home buyers so that I could work with just those home buyers and I could educate myself on what it is that they needed specifically. I started to create articles that first-time home buyers would like. For example, write an article on 5 best ways to buy your first home, or how to save $5,000 when you buy your first home, or what every first-time home buyer should know. Things like that, so that not only are you targeting a specific person, you're being very deliberate in your marketing to that specific person so that they say, yeah, I'm a first-time home buyer. This person has education and articles for me, and this agent works specifically with me and this type of buyer. This will not only set you apart from other agents that are just like, hey, are you looking to buy a home or buy or sell your own list or buy with me? No, be very specific about what it is that you're looking for so that you can get your first deal and you can make all of your marketing around the type of person that you are looking to help. Here are 5 easy ways that anyone can use to generate leads as a real estate agent. Like I said, I use business cards because the broker that I worked for gave me 500 business cards for free when I got set up with them. Most of your real estate brokers will offer you business cards absolutely free, and in most cases, they will give you 250, 500, or even 1,000 business cards. Most people, though, never hand those business cards out, and that is a big mistake. Every single day, I committed myself to going to the Walmart in the zip code where I was looking for buyers, and I committed to handing out 25 to 50 cards every single day before I would go home. And in 10 days, I was out of business cards. Just think about that for a second. I would literally go to the Walmart and say, and have on my shirt that said I was a real estate agent. I would even have my pin on, my name tag, and I would hand out business cards to anyone inside the Walmart. Literally spending an hour, 2 hours inside that Walmart, handing out business cards and getting a deal. My phone started ringing the very next day, and again, this cost me absolutely nothing. I had my first deal in 1 week, and I had 3 deals in less than 2 weeks. I even would give out business cards when I got my nails done. So guess what? The person that owned the nail supply shop, I sold him a home. He was a Vietnamese guy and I helped him get his first house. And I remember my commission was $9,000 because he bought like a $325,000 home. Again, would you walk through Walmart or hand out business cards if it led to $9,000 in 2 or 3 weeks? Yeah, I'm probably sure you would. All you have to do is get out there, because here's the thing. Most real estate agents suck. They will never market themselves. They will be secret agents and they will never tell people what they do. You will set yourself apart just by being hungry, starting to market yourself, and committing yourself to handing out even just business cards and postcards, promoting yourself and telling people specifically who you help and who you work with. Last but not least, get with an experienced real estate agent that wants to help you. There are so many successful real estate agents that will give you advice just like Noelle is giving you here, absolutely free. You don't want to take advice though from new agents or people that just got their license, or someone that got their license and never even sold a home. I'm so sick of hearing all of these unsuccessful real estate agents and brokers telling people what to do. Find a successful, experienced agent or broker to be your mentor. You do not have to pay for this, and in many cases, there are people at your own brokerage that will do this for you absolutely free. The key is they must be successful and they must be currently doing real estate. No old people that used to do real estate 20 years ago, and no unsuccessful, not making very much money real estate agents mentoring you. That's a no-no. Successful and current. That's what you want to mentor you. I have created an entire free class that you can go to and get trained absolutely free. Go to noellsfreetraining.com and get my entire training, where I teach you my exact formula for investing in real estate while being a real estate agent and making tons of money. This free training was just a little bit too long to put up here, but it's absolutely free and it's going to be coming down in the next 30 days. So go there right now and get this training. It's absolutely free. I poured my heart into it and I give you all of the details on how to make millions in real estate. That's noellsfreetraining.com. That's Noelle, N-O-E-L-L-E with an S, free, F-R-E-E, training, T-R-A-I-N-I-N-G.com. noellsfreetraining.com. I just want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noelle. To your success.